Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to create a clipping mask with a shape in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can go to Layers window. If you don't find Layers window, we can go to Window and choose Layers here. Now I go to Layers window and we can find background layer. I use double click to create a new layer. I press OK. So a new layer is created. Then we can go to left toolbar and then we can find shape tool here. For example, we can choose a shape. In this tutorial, I will use ellipse tool and then go to top option bar. Make sure that we choose shape. And then we can click and drag to create a shape. I press shift to make a perfect circle. So we can see that this is a shape. I close the properties window. Now we can go to layers window and then we can put the shape under the image. Next, I press Alt and move the cursor in between two layers, the image layer and the shape layer, and click. So we can make a clipping mask. Now, if we want to move the image, we can press Ctrl T and we can make an adjustment for the image. I press enter to apply it. If we want to transform the shape, we can select the shape layer and then press Ctrl, and then we can resize it and we can move it and press enter to apply it. So this is how we can create clipping mask with a shape in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.